Okay, this is gonna be a stupid video of me eating. Shit, what the fuck? Beefaroni. That's all this video is gonna be. While watching American Dad.
Because I promised Derek I'd meet him for a drink. That's why 9.
You guys want some?
And let the love come flowing back.
Stay away from me!
So, have you guys heard anything new about pot? Pot, really. Have you guys heard anything new about anything?
This is great. By the way, great call on this Rasta disguise, Steve. I'm ganja wear it all the time.
Hey, Steve. Is this your friend?
Yeah, Lindsay, this is Roger.
Nice to meet you.
Charm.
And this is Jewel. Your day.
Oh God, I'm out.
Hey, we have deals.
See? She's so ugly. So ugly.
Too bad. I snuck you out so you could be my wingman. Now you can make nice with Jewel, or you can go home and rot in the attic.
Steve, you're making me crazy. Sorry, I've had that one loaded up all night.
This picture was taken on our honeymoon. It's the only photo of Francine where you can't see Badge. Badge. The little island boy who served as our tour guide.
I see from her wristband that you're at a Sandals all-inclusive resort. Fancy.
Wait a minute. I know just the thing to trigger her memory.
Haley, I thought we were going to Burning Man.
Sorry, but my mom decided to throw a rager. Besides, Jeff, I never said I was going. Party foul! Get down!
Oh.
I have this boyfriend. He was in an avalanche. He survived 3 days on melted snow, and his grandfather found him because he had a dream about the exact spot where he was trapped.
Wow. You had a boyfriend? Oh, yeah, you have a little thing.
Oh, Roger, stop it. I don't have a hard time looking at you.
At me?
I can see past your hydrocephalic head and into your beautiful mind.
You ugly ass
You're like
bitch.
Michael Crowe and I'm Jennifer Connelly.
Yeah, you're Jennifer Connelly. Uncomfortable.
It's fucking 3:20 in the damn morning.
You
Damn.
two.
Maybe we should lead by example.
Or we could just go back to your place and make out.
Yeah, okay, I understand. Well, I had a fun time anyway. See you at school. Huh? Okay.
Haley, where's your mother?
Last time I saw her, she was in the kitchen serving up body shots.
What a hostess.
She's not here.
There's a note in frosting on the fridge.
Haley, me and Jeff went to Burning Man together. Rock on, Francine. My mother stole my boyfriend!
Your boyfriend stole my wife. Let's get back at them by dating each other. Wait a minute. Daddy didn't think that through. Sandman's starting to goose me.
Here, have some coffee.
Klaus, when you come home and pack, I heard you and Haley talking about this Burning Man. So I said to myself, road trip! Stand by the way, I could not hold my pee-pee.
Honestly, I only went out with you to get Jewel a date. But you're a lot less of a dork than I thought.
Stick around. I think you'll find I'm a lot less of everything.
You can do whatever you want to me.
So I can crate you and hide you in that warehouse at the end of Raiders?
What the hell, people? There was me eating beefaroni. Sure, it took 5 minutes, and it's only 3:21 in the morning. Well, comment for what my next video should be.